Protecting your Bifrost wallet starts with how you set it up. Always download the wallet only from the official website or verified app stores. Fake links and cloned apps are the fastest way people lose crypto worth thousands of dollars. Once installed, create a strong, unique password that you have never used anywhere else. Avoid simple patterns or personal information. Your password is the first barrier between your wallet and attackers. Your recovery phrase is the most valuable part of your wallet. Write it down on paper and store it in at least 2 separate secure locations. Never save it on your phone, email, cloud storage, or screenshots. Anyone with this phrase can take full control of your funds, even if your password is strong. Treat it like cash worth millions of dollars. Enable all available security features inside the Bifrost wallet. Use biometric authentication if your device supports it, and always lock the app when not in use. Keep your phone or computer protected with a secure screen lock and updated operating system. Many hacks happen because devices are outdated or already compromised. Be careful with decentralized apps and browser extensions connected to your wallet. Only connect Bifrost to trusted platforms with a strong reputation. Review permissions regularly and disconnect apps you no longer use. A single malicious contract approval can drain your wallet in seconds and cost you thousands of dollars. Never share wallet details in private messages, emails, or social media. Bifrost support will never ask for your recovery phrase or password. Scammers often pretend to offer help or investment opportunities to steal funds. Stay alert and verify everything. Finally, consider keeping large amounts of crypto in a cold storage wallet and use Bifrost mainly for daily transactions. Splitting funds reduces risk and protects long-term holdings worth serious dollars.